Well, we've been talking about the cold front coming into the area.
Right.
It arrived with a fury up in the Panhandle. Take a look at this. The first snow of the season there in the Amarillo area. Of any significance anyway. They might have had a few flurries last week, but we saw up to 5 inches of snow reported just a couple of miles southwest of Amarillo. And right in the Amarillo area, snowfall totals up to 4.5 inches. How about that?
Snow in Texas.
Snow in Texas. Down here, though, heck, you could hardly tell a front had moved in. And let me show you the radar. Right now, here in our area, we are seeing, this is what gives me a little hope. We are seeing a little bit of precipitation try to develop between San Angelo and San Saba. And so it's not out of the question we can get some patchy light rain tonight, but it is not going to be very much at all. Up there in the Panhandle, that snow has ended. That's all rain now, moving across southern Oklahoma and North Texas. Boy, wouldn't we like to have some of that. Outside here, our skies have finally clouded over. We had enough sunshine today that we actually warmed back up into the mid-70s. The front actually came in when it was supposed to this morning around 6, 7 a.m., but it did not come in with much of a punch. The cool air is lagging way behind. But again, we've now gone overcast, and our temperature's fallen back to 70 here in the city. At 8 p.m. tonight, we're running about 64 and 60. Notice we put in a chance of some light rain around 10 p.m. tonight as it gets a little bit cooler. Our KBVO big game of the week is at House Park, Del Valle, and Austin High, live on our sister station KBVO with our own Roger Wallace there with the call. 65 degrees is our kickoff temperature forecast. North wind about 10 to 20, so it'll be a little chilly in the stands there with that breeze as the temperature falls toward the 50s. And let's look ahead to Saturday now. Texas, Kansas, Saturday night at 6. Wonderful at kickoff. In fact, a great day all the way around. By the end of the game, maybe down into the upper 50s, so maybe a light jacket, but it should be just super. Around the area right now, in the 50s out in the hill country much of the afternoon, 52 in Fredericksburg, 55 in Llano, 59 in Burnett. So you folks are thinking, well, they got the forecast just right today. But from Austin eastward, where everybody's thinking, wait, it's a little bit too warm. Where's that cold front? But we are significantly cooler than yesterday when we were up in the upper 80s. Right now, readings have fallen into the 60s in most areas, 66 in Round Rock, 64 degrees in Georgetown. In our eastern counties, you're still wondering about that front. 76 down in Flatonia and 73 in LaGrange. Austin, 70. It's 73 at the airport. We're mostly cloudy. We have a north wind now at 9 to 13 miles per hour. Sunset's at 6:47 tonight. Mole is high again today, higher than yesterday, over 2,000. Ragweed and Fall Elm coming in low. Amarillo, 38 degrees, so that snow's going to melt away, but it's cold. 41 in Lubbock, 45 in Abilene, 53 in Dallas. 80 still along the coast where that front is headed. And there's your upper level system right there taking most of the rain to the north of us, but we still have some energy coming in from the southwest, so we're still hopeful that later tonight our computer model indicates some rain developing in our area. Very patchy, very light, nothing to get excited about. The rain and the clouds and clear the area tomorrow morning, and then we stay clear and then sunny right on through the weekend. Quick update for you on Rena. Rena weakened to a tropical storm actually today. The center of the storm is still moving up toward Cozumel and Cancun. Tropical storm Rena, no longer a hurricane. Look at this though. This thing is to the loop instead of going to Cuba, loop and then turn back to the south. It's going to stay weak over that stirred up water there in the Western Caribbean, but interesting movement of the storm. There are your lows tonight in the 40s. And your highs tomorrow. Now, we should stay in the 60s tomorrow. Tonight, we're still not giving up hope for a little bit of patchy light rain. 49 in the morning. Let's go 67 tomorrow. Decreasing clouds. And then the weekend, cold Saturday morning, wonderful in the afternoon. Chilly Sunday morning, wonderful in the afternoon. Halloween looks good, 77. And then we're pretty warm till our next cold front, a weak one, coming in here about Wednesday, Thursday or so next week.